Hello, me myself Devendra Mande, Assistant Professor of Economics, Government First Grade College, Kodi. In earlier classes, in this particular chapter, that we studied of about the how to strengthen this MSME sector, and also we studied about the DIC, how it helps or how it assists the MSME sector and DIC program and functioning, and also about the industrial estates, and also about the government schemes, incentives, and subsidies. So, in present class, we will discuss about the policy for MSMEs. Making a policy is very essential. Without policy or without plan or without action plan, we will not observe, we will not able to see the betterment of that particular field. Some failures are there. So therefore, the policy making thing is necessary. It's very essential. So that's why today's class we will discuss about the policy for MSME. So introductory part of this particular thing is, for the purpose of policy making, an operational definition is given based upon investment limit. It includes all establishments having an investment in fixed assets, in plant and machinery, whether held on ownership terms or by lease or by high purpose. So, government policy means this can be broadly classified into three categories. So, three categories are there. One is how to initiate that policy, that means policy initiative. Then the second thing of about the institutional support. The second one is institutional support. Then third one is financial assistance. So it's nothing but credit dispersion. So mainly three categories are there: policy initiative, institutional support, credit dispersion. So in that, the first one is policy initiative. So what actually this concept involves? Then in this, the first one, small industry policies and incentives. Policy incentive means it involves the small industry policies and incentives. Liberalization, that you know in LPG, liberalization and MSMEs, how it relates. Infrastructural facilities, these are very essential for the betterment of that particular field. Small industrial clusters are also essential. Marketing support. So, marketing strategies are very essential for this MSME sector. So, this type of policy initiative is needed. Mainly five are there: small industry policy and incentives, liberalization and MSMEs, infrastructural facilities, small industry clusters, marketing support. Then institutional support is also there. So institutional support means large number of institutions have been established nowadays, either by central government or state government, and also by industrial associations. Their main thing is to assist the particular sectors, especially for the country like India, MSME sector, because of that population. So institutional support means by with the help of institutional, either by guiding or by supporting textually in that way. So the third one is of about the credit dispersion. Several financial institutions are there, banks are there, have been established especially to cater to the needs of MSME. So in this earlier chapters we studied regarding the financial assistance, how the financial assistance are happening for this MSME. There are non-government organizations are there, government organizations also there. So many banks are there. From the mainly industrial banks also there. For a few examples are here of about CC, service industry like this. So for the small industries, Small Industry Development Bank of India is also there. Industrial Development Bank also there. So like this, financial institutions. So in this way, how we divide the government policies, how we divide this policy institutes, institutional support and credit dispersion. In this way, we can measure that policy, and we make policy for MSMEs.